Hello, sir and ma'am. I am Rajaram. I am doing my graduation at M. Kumarasamy College of Engineering, Karur. I have been shortlisted for Inframind Season 4 Round 2. I have taken Enterprises AI as my problem statement. My solution is for customer engagement and customer satisfaction. This concept will make new revolution in marketing. To achieve that, I have decided to make a prototype that is a vending machine for customer attraction and to assist the customer to buy a product in any environment. This vending machine will act as a chatbot for customer and serve small items like Starbucks uh, in the time of purchasing and etc. The backend process will manage the order placed frequently. By using speech recognition method, the interaction will happen between a vending machine and customer. To attract the children, the vending machine will will give animate videos and games for customer awareness. There will be a camera in the vending machine. It will check the customer or customers wearing mask or not while entering inside the shop and assist the customer to wear mask. And this machine will predict the customer experience while using the machine for feedback analysis. Uh, it will detect the face expression of customer. So my vision is to integrate all of these above mentioned uh, features to this vending machine, and this machine will wants to play in the shop entrance or shop for attracting places. From this, we can achieve 100% customer satisfaction and 100% customer engagement. For that, I have used various machine learning techniques and artificial intelligence method to perform this action. Now, we can see our chatbot using Dialogflow. And Dialogflow is a natural language understanding platform that makes it easy to design and interact and integrate a conversational user interface into your mobile app or web application or bot. Interactive voice response system is available in that dialog flow. It will be a worldwide customer reminder or any customer attraction way. While we using Dialogflow, standard edition is free, and there is a limit on the number of requests that you can make. For details, we can request is made when the request is made with the potential for one in interrupt. Dialogflow searches through all n of those intents, and we can use cloud for back Firebase. The cloud is the internet. More specifically, it's all about the thing you can access remotely over the internet. When something is in the cloud, it means it's stored on the internet server instead of your computer hardware. Now we can move and see about my chatbot powered by Dialogflow. I have named it as PSB Yard and it is the version 2.0. Now we can interact with my chatbot. It will also working with the voice recognition. We can take we can take this voice recognition button and the voice will be recognized and will be stored in the text area. Now we can interact. Yep. I want shoes. It's a basic model, so the voice recognition will not perform very well. Now I will give option as highest. Then it will care about our health using normal or abnormal. I will likewise the chatbot will be performed. Then we can see our face expression detection and also the face mask detection part upcoming section. Now we can move to the second part of this concept. Using this concept, we can predict while the customers are having wearing mask or not, and it will assist them. It will give awareness to the customers to wear mask. We can see the application now. This is my application user interface home page. While we are clicking proceed button, it will move to the next page. This is my next page user UI. There are three options in this page. First one is camera and predict and selfie. While we are clicking selfie option, it will toggle the camera to selfie mode. Now we can click the predict button. It will show the prediction rate of my model. Using this, we can make awareness to the customers. Now I will click predict button. While clicking predict button, it will show the percentage rate. So now the app will be working good. The prediction rate is good. So using this, we can make awareness to wear mask among the customers. And this is our third concept. It is used to predict the customers experience in happy, sad, or excited, or any angry. In that we can use selfie camera to toggle the, and then we can predict the rate of customer expression. Likewise, the prediction level will be changes, and we can also use camera to import the image and predict the level. Using this way, we can import our image and predict the level. This is my enterprises AI event process, and it will be used for customer engagement for a shop under a two level of marketing in both inside and also in external and also in internal. Thank you.